Was there any arguing among jurors about this?
I mean, differences of opinion. I don't think there was, like, if you talk about, like, fighting, no.
That was a jury foreman in the Parkland sentencing trial. He spoke with CBS 4 about the verdict, sharing his reaction to the decision. And joining us now, criminal defense attorney Richard Rosenbaum. Richard, good morning. Thanks for joining us.
Good morning, Mayor Bell.
So, Richard, the big question, the big news today is a hearing planned for this afternoon after the state attorney's office filed a motion that claims that a juror was threatened by a fellow juror. Now, could that be grounds for a reversal of this verdict?
It could be grounds, but it's very, very doubtful in my opinion. There are strict ethical guidelines with regards to lawyers contacting and interviewing jurors after a trial, and there must first be a hearing in court. The court has to grant permission. So first we have to find that there's misconduct or there's a likelihood of misconduct, and then there could be further interviews.
And Richard, does the prosecution have any grounds to appeal this verdict?
In terms of the verdict, the prosecution can't appeal. They may be able to appeal some of the motions. For example, if the judge denies the motion to interview jurors, possibly that's something, but the jury has spoken. There's been no travesty of justice here. The jurors, it appears, were conscientious, told the truth during voir dire, and the state laid out their case. They did a great job. The public defender's office also did a great job, and the verdict came back with life. And we respect that, and we should abide by that.
And Richard, just your thoughts on this outcome. Were you surprised by it?
I was very surprised with the mountain of evidence and the way that Mr. Satz and his prosecution team methodically laid out the evidence. I thought this was going to be a state verdict of death all day long, and I was very surprised, and my congratulations go out to the public defender's office. It's a very tough case from every side. I feel bad for the Parkland families, but the jury's spoken. It's time to move forward.